Today, we're taking a closer look at a compact but surprisingly powerful aerial performer, the Xiaomi E69 Drone. A mini-sized quadcopter built to deliver big features, from 8K dual-camera clarity to smooth optical flow stability, all wrapped in a sleek and lightweight design. With its 8K HD dual camera, the Xiaomi E69 captures the world from above with stunning detail. Whether you're shooting landscapes, rooftops, or action on the move, the electrically adjustable 180-degree lens gives you total creative freedom. And thanks to Wi-Fi FPV streaming, you can watch every moment unfold live on your smartphone. The E69 is equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope, engineered to give pilots smoother control, cleaner turns, and more stable flight. Pair that with optical flow positioning and altitude hold, and this drone hovers like it's locked in place, perfect for beginners and experienced flyers alike. Despite its compact size, the Xiaomi E69 still delivers up to 10 minutes of flight time, powered by a reliable 3.7-volt LiPo battery. And with 6 flight channels, you'll enjoy full maneuverability, up, down, forward, backward, sideways, and more. Its headless mode makes orientation easy, and the on-screen path drawing feature lets you trace a route and watch the drone fly it automatically. Plus, 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology ensures stable signal and responsive controls, even in busy environments. Inside the box, you get everything you need to get airborne. The E69 drone, screen-equipped remote controller, 3.7-volt LiPo battery, USB charger, spare propellers, screwdriver, and manuals. The Xiaomi E69 is perfect for beginners, kids, travelers, and anyone looking for affordable aerial photography with premium features. Compact, capable, and packed with smart functionality. This is the Xiaomi E69. Small drone, big possibilities.